This video is about tips for saving money on groceries and household expenses. Groceries and household expenses are essential for every household. However, they can also be a significant financial burden. The good news is that there are several ways to save money on groceries and household expenses without compromising on quality. My name is Darius. Welcome to Personal Finance Insights, the channel that helps you make sense of your money. Please note that our content is for educational purposes only, and we encourage you to seek the advice of a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. Subscribe now and start your journey to financial freedom. In this video, I will talk about some practical tips on how to save money on groceries and household expenses. So, let's get started. 1. Create a grocery list. Creating a grocery list is a simple yet effective way to save money on groceries. By planning ahead and making a list of the items you need, you can avoid the temptation to make impulsive purchases or buy items that you don't need. This will help you stick to your budget and reduce your overall grocery expenses. To create a grocery list, start by planning your meals for the week or month. Consider what ingredients you need for each meal and add them to your list. Include basic items such as bread, milk, eggs, and fresh produce. Also, think about any snacks or treats you may want to purchase. While creating your grocery list, take inventory of what you already have in your pantry and fridge. This will help you avoid purchasing items that you already have and prevent food waste. Make sure to organize your list in a way that corresponds with the layout of your preferred grocery store. This will save you time and help you avoid backtracking through the store to find items. Stick to your list when shopping, and avoid making impulse purchases. This will require some self-discipline, but the result will be a more efficient and cost-effective shopping experience. 2. Use coupons and discount codes. Coupons and discount codes are an effective way to save money on groceries and household expenses. The availability of coupons and discount codes has increased in recent years, and consumers can find them in various sources. Traditional sources of coupons include newspapers and magazines, where manufacturers and retailers advertise their products and services. In addition, consumers can find coupons and discount codes online. Online coupon websites like RetailMeNot, Coupons.com, and Groupon offer a variety of discounts for different products and services. These programs are designed to reward customers for their loyalty by offering exclusive discounts and special offers. By signing up for these programs, consumers can save money on their grocery and household expenses. 3. Buy in bulk. Buying in bulk is a great way to save money on household expenses. Many essential items, such as toilet paper, paper towels, cleaning supplies, and non-perishable food items, are often cheaper when purchased in large quantities. Buying in bulk is especially beneficial for families or individuals who use these items frequently. When purchasing in bulk, it is important to consider the expiration dates of the items. While non-perishable food items may last for a long time, other items like cleaning supplies or personal care products may have a shorter shelf life. It is important to purchase only what you can use within a reasonable time frame. Another important factor to consider when buying in bulk is storage space. Purchasing in large quantities means you will need extra storage space to keep your items. Consider storing items in a cool, dry place to ensure they stay fresh and usable for a longer period. Many stores offer bulk purchasing options, including wholesale stores, warehouse clubs, and online retailers. It is important to compare prices and check for sales or discounts to ensure you are getting the best deal. You can also consider splitting purchases with friends or family members to save more money. 4. Meal prep. Meal prepping is a practical and efficient method of saving money on groceries. By planning your meals in advance, you can ensure that you purchase only the necessary ingredients and avoid unnecessary food waste. Meal prepping is an excellent way to stick to a budget, as it allows you to purchase in bulk and take advantage of deals and discounts. Additionally, Meal prepping can help you save time during the week by preparing meals in advance. You can spend a few hours on the weekend prepping your meals for the upcoming week, and then simply reheat and enjoy them throughout the week. This can be particularly beneficial if you have a busy schedule and limited time to cook during the week. By having meals ready to go, you can avoid the temptation to order takeaway, which can be much more expensive than cooking at home. Meal prepping can also help you maintain a healthy diet. By planning your meals in advance, you can ensure that you are consuming a balanced and nutritious diet. This can be particularly helpful if you are trying to lose weight or improve your overall health. You can prepare healthy meals and snacks in advance, such as salads, vegetable stir-fries, and protein-packed snacks. 5. Compare prices. When it comes to saving money on groceries and household expenses, comparing prices is a crucial step. It's important to keep in mind that different stores may offer different prices for the same item. So, it's always a good idea to shop around and compare prices before making a purchase. By doing so, you can ensure that you're getting the best deal possible. One way to compare prices is by physically visiting different stores and noting down the prices of the items you need. This can be time-consuming, but it can also be effective. Another way is by using apps and websites that compare prices for you. These tools allow you to search for the item you need and compare prices across multiple stores, saving you time and effort. It's worth noting that while finding the lowest price is important, it's not the only factor to consider. You should also consider the quality of the item, the distance to the store, and any other additional costs, such as transportation or membership fees. By taking all these factors into account, you can make an informed decision and save money without compromising on quality. 6. Shop during sales. Shopping during sales is an effective strategy to save money on groceries and household expenses. You should always be on the lookout for sales and discounts on the items you frequently purchase, such as your preferred brand of cereal, laundry detergent, or shampoo. Planning your meals around the items that are on sale is another way to save even more money. For instance, if chicken is on sale, plan your meals for the week around this ingredient to avoid spending more money on expensive cuts of meat. Most grocery stores have weekly sales, and it's a good idea to check their flyers or websites for these deals. You can also sign up for their newsletters or loyalty programs to receive alerts on upcoming sales. Additionally, holidays and seasonal events are also great opportunities to save money on groceries and household items. For example, you can stock up on paper towels, disposable plates, and cups before hosting a summer barbecue or buy Christmas decorations during post-holiday clearance sales. However, it's important to be mindful of the items you purchase during sales. Don't buy items just because they're on sale if you don't need them. Stick to your grocery list and purchase items that you regularly use. By shopping during sales, you can significantly reduce your grocery bill and save money for other essential expenses. 7. Cut back on energy consumption. Cutting back on energy consumption can significantly reduce your household expenses. One of the simplest ways to achieve this is by turning off lights and electronics when they are not in use. This includes turning off the TV, computer, and other electronics when you are not using them. You can also switch off lights when you leave a room to save energy. Using energy-efficient light bulbs is another effective way to save energy. These bulbs use less energy than traditional light bulbs and can last much longer. Energy-efficient bulbs come in a variety of types, including LED and CFL, and can be used in most light fixtures. Adjusting your thermostat can also help you cut back on energy consumption. During the winter, set your thermostat to a lower temperature when you are not at home, or when you are sleeping. In the summer, set your thermostat to a higher temperature to reduce your cooling costs. You can also invest in a programmable thermostat to automatically adjust the temperature based on your schedule. 8. Plan your purchases. Planning your purchases is a crucial step towards achieving financial stability. To plan your purchases effectively, you must first identify your needs and prioritize them accordingly. This means making a list of the essential items you need to purchase, and ensuring that they fit within your budget. It's important to avoid impulse purchases when you're trying to save money on groceries and household expenses. These types of purchases can quickly add up and blow your budget out of the water. Instead, take the time to consider your purchases carefully, and only buy what you need. When planning your purchases, it's also a good idea to take advantage of sales and discounts. This means keeping an eye out for sales on the items you need, and planning your purchases around them. You can also use coupons and discount codes to save money on your purchases. Final thoughts. Saving money on groceries and household expenses is possible with a bit of planning and effort. By following these tips, you can reduce your expenses without compromising on quality. Remember to create a grocery list, use coupons and discount codes, buy in bulk, meal prep, compare prices, shop during sales, use generic brands, make your cleaning supplies, cut back on energy consumption, and plan your purchases. With these tips, you can save money and achieve financial stability. Thank you for watching Personal Finance Insights. We hope you found our videos informative and valuable in your financial journey. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for being a part of our community, and we look forward to helping you make sense of your money.